Hello, namaste, konnichiwa. Welcome to Sunny Sensei. In this lesson, we will solve a grade 7 mathematics test from New York State Testing Program. Problem 1. Clara goes miniature golfing. She pays $7.50 for an admission ticket and $6.25 for each round she golfs. The total amount Clara pays for admission and the number of rounds she golfs is $26.25. Which equation can be used to determine the number of rounds x that Clara golfs? So, Clara pays for the admission ticket. She also pays for each round she plays. The total cost to Clara is $26.25. The admission ticket is $7.50. Clara plays X rounds and she pays $6.25 for each round. So, her cost is 6.25 times X. And this equals 26.25. $26.25 is common in all the options. 6.25x, we have this in A, in B. We don't have it in C and we don't have it in D. We have 7.50 in A. In B, we have minus 7.50, which is incorrect. So, the correct choice is A. Problem 2. What is the exact decimal equivalent of 7 by 12? We have 7 and we divide this by 12. 7 is smaller than 12, so we get a 0 here, a decimal, another 0. 12 5s are 60. 70 minus 60 gives me 10. Another 0. 12 8s are 96. 100 minus 96 is 4. We put another 0 over here, pull it down. We have 40. 12 3s are 36. 40 minus 36 is again 4. Another 0, we get it down. We have 40 again, and 12 3s are 36. This continues. We can represent this as 0.583 with a small bar on the top. This bar means that the 3 is repeated continuously. We pick B as our choice. Problem number 3. Joseph's lunch at a restaurant costs $13.00 without tax. He leaves the waiter a tip of 17% of the cost of the lunch without tax. What is the total cost of the lunch, including the tip, without tax? So, Joseph pays $13. He also pays 17% of 13 as tip. So, we have 13 plus 17% can be represented as 1 by 100. So, we get 17 divided by 100. Of is multiplied. And then we have 13. We get 13 plus 17 times 13 divided by 100. Let's multiply 17 by 13. 13 7s are 91. 13 1s are 13 plus 9 is 22. We have 13 plus 221 divided by 100. We get 13 plus 2.21, or we have 15.21. Let me share with you an alternative approach. Joseph pays $13. 100% of the base amount plus 17% of the base amount as a tip. So he pays 100 plus 17 or 117% of 13. Again, percent is 1 by 100, so we have 117 divided by 100 of is multiply 13. We can multiply 117 by 13. 13 sevens are 91. 13 ones are 13. Plus 9 gives me 22. 13 ones are 13. Plus 2 is 15. So we have 1521 divided by 100 and we get 15.21. Our choice is D. Problem number 4. Jordan is baking brownies and will choose to use either a round or a rectangular pan. The dimensions of the bottom of each pan are shown below. Which statement correctly describes how the area of the bottom of the round pan compares to the area of the bottom of the rectangular pan? Area of the circular pan will be pi r square. So pi is approximately 3.14. The radius of this pan will be half of the diameter. So radius is 10 divided by 2. So this equals 3.14 times square of 5. So this is 3.14 times 25. Let's multiply 314 by 25. 25 fours are 100. 25 ones are 25 plus 10 gives me 35. 25 threes are 75 plus 3 is 78. So we have 7850. After the decimal, we have 2 digits. So we have 78.50 as our area, and this area is in inches square. Next, for the rectangular pan, the area would be length, which is 10 inches, and the width, which is 7 inches. So what we have is 70 inch square. Area of the circular pan minus the area of rectangular pan will be 78.50 minus 70. This gives me 8.50 inch square. The only option that meets our conclusion is option A. Problem number 5. On average, Shawante drinks 1 by 2 of a 6-ounce glass of water in 2 by 3 hours. How much water does she drink in an hour? In simple language, we need to find the speed at which Shawante is consuming water. Our goal is to find the volume consumed by Shawante in a given time. Time is hours. The volume she consumes is 1 by 2 of 6-ounce glass of water, and she consumes this in 2 by 3 hours. We have 1 by 2 of is multiply 6 divided by 2 by 3. We can write this as 6 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Alternatively, we have 6 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. We can write this as 6 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. Let's remove the common factors from numerator and the denominator. So we have 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. We get 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Shawante drinks 4.5 ounce of water in an hour. C is the correct choice. Problem number 6. What is the value of the expression shown below? We have minus 4, minus 6, 3 by 5 in the brackets 10 plus 15 divided by 1 by 3. We have minus times minus 4 times minus 6. Odd number of minus signs. So we have minus 4 6 are 24. Minus 3 by 5. In the brackets we have 25. Divided by 1 by 3. Cancelling out the common factors, we have 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. And we get minus 24. Minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 1 by 3. This is minus 24 minus 15 is minus 39 divided by 1 by 3. We can write this as minus 39 divided by 1 by 3 or minus 39 multiplied by 3. 3 is the reciprocal of 1 by 3. Let's multiply 39 by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, plus 2 gives me 11. So we have minus 117. A is the correct choice. Problem number 7. The diagram shows the length and width of a cell phone and the length of a larger version of the same brand of cell phone. The lengths and the widths of the two cell phones are proportional. What is the width in inches of the larger version of the cell phone? The problem tells us that the length is proportional to width. This means that the length of the smaller phone divided by length of larger phone should be equal to the width of smaller phone divided by width of the larger phone. The length of small phone is 5.4. The length of larger phone is 6.21. The width of smaller phone is 2.6. The width of larger phone is unknown. Let's call it x. So we have 5.4x equal to 2.6 times 6.21. X is 2.6 times 6.21 divided by 5.4. In the numerator, we have 6, we have 2, we have 1. 3 digits after decimal. We have only 1 digit in the denominator. We fix this gap by adding 2 zeros to the denominator. Now, remove the decimals. So we have 26 times 621 divided by 5400. We have 9 6 are 54, 0 0. We have 9 6 are 54. We get 81. 9 9s are 81. We can again divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0 0. 2 is definitely a common factor. We have 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 hundreds are. So finally, we end up with x equals 13 times 23 divided by 100. Let's multiply 23 by 13. 13 threes are 39. 13 twos are 26. 26 plus 3 is 29. We have 299 divided by 100. This equals 2.99 inches. C is the correct choice. Problem number 8. From 12 midnight to 6 a.m., the temperature decreased by 12 degrees centigrade. If the original temperature was 12 degrees centigrade, which expression can be used to represent this situation? We have a change in temperature. We can always represent change as the final value minus the initial value. The temperature decreased by 12 degrees centigrade. So, the change is minus 12. The final temperature, we call it X. The initial temperature is 12. Adding 12 to both sides, minus 12 plus 12 equal to X minus 12 plus 12. These two terms cancel out and we have 0 equal to X. For A, we have 12 minus 12 equal to 0. For B, we have 12 plus 12 equal to 24, which is incorrect. For C, we have 12 plus 12, giving us 24. Again incorrect. And for D, we have minus 12 minus 12, that is minus 24. Again incorrect. So our choice is A. Problem number 9. Jordan prepares 200 name tags to use at a meeting. The number for each color of name tag is described below. 35% of the name tags are blue. 3 by 8 of the name tags are yellow. All of the remaining name tags are red. How many of Jordan's name tags are red? We have blue tags, we have yellow tags, and we have red tags. The total is 200. 35% of total, that is 200, are blue. 3 by 8 of total, which is 200, are yellow. The remaining are red. The sum is 200. We have 35. We replace percentage symbol by 1 by 100. Of is multiply 200 plus 3 by 8. Of is multiply 200 plus R is 200. 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 fives are 40. We have 35 twos are 70 plus 3 25s are 75 plus R equals 200. 70 plus 75 is 145 plus R is 200. R is 200 minus 145, which equals 55. A is our choice. Problem number 10. The ratio of boys to girls in Mr. Johnson's after-school club is the same as the ratio of boys to girls in Miss Green's after-school club. There are 4 boys and 12 girls in Mr. Johnson's club. There are 6 boys in Miss Green's club. How many girls are in Miss Green's club? The problem tells us that the ratio of boys to girls is same in both the clubs. For Mr. Johnson's club, number of boys are 4 and the number of girls are 12. For Miss Green's club, the number of boys are 6 and the number of girls is unknown. We call it x. We have 4x equal to 6 times 12. X is 6 times 12 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 6 threes are 18. Miss Green has 18 girls in her club. The correct choice is D. Problem number 11. The regular price of an item at a store is $P. The item is on sale for 20% off the regular price. Some of the expressions shown below represent the sale price in dollars of the item. We have an item at a price of $P. The discount is 20%. In effect, we pay 80% of the regular price, which is P. Percent is 1 by 100, off is multiply P. 80 divided by 100 is 0.80 P or simply 0.8 P. Expression A is 0.2 P. That is incorrect. Next we have 0.8 P, which is correct. Then we have 1 minus 0.2 P. This makes no sense. Incorrect. The next is P minus 0.2 P, which is 0.8 P. This looks fine to me. And finally, we have P minus 0.8 P, which is 0.2 P. Again, incorrect. So, the correct option would be the one with both B and D, which is C. C is the correct choice. Problem number 12. Last week, the price of apples at a grocery store was $1.60 per pound. This week, apples at the same grocery store are on sale at a 10% discount. What is the total price of 4 1/2 pounds of apples this week at the grocery store? We have 10% discount, so we pay 90% of 1.60. This is the price of 1 pound of apples. We want to buy 4 1.5 pound of apples, so the total cost to us will be price of 1 pound of apples multiplied by 4 1/2 pounds. 90% is 90 divided by 100. Remember, percentage is 1 by 100. Off is multiply 1.60 multiplied by, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we have 2 times 4 plus 1 divided by 2. We get 90 by 100 into 1.60 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 divided by 2. We get rid of the 0 and we have 9 by 10 multiplied by 16 divided by 10, 9 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So we have 9 8s are 72 times 9 divided by 100. Let me multiply 72 by 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 sevens are 63, plus 1 is 64. So we have 648 divided by 100, or 6.48. The correct response is $6.48. Problem number 13. An object travels along a horizontal straight path at a constant rate. The object travels 1/20 of the length of the path in 3/4 seconds. At that rate, how many seconds does it take the object to travel the entire length of the path? The key word here is constant rate. The speed at which the object is moving is constant. Speed is distance by time. This object moves a distance of 1/20 of the length in 3/4 seconds. And we need to find the time it takes to travel the complete length of the path. We have 1/20 of its multiply L divided by 3/4 equal to L by X. Divide both sides by L. We are left with 1/20 times X equal to 3/4, or X is 3/4 times 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. We have X equal to 3 fives are 15. The units are seconds. The correct response is A. Problem number 14. A furniture store has a sale during which the sale price of a sofa is 1/3 of its original price. The original price of the sofa is $1029. A customer can get an additional 5% discount off the sale price for paying with cash. At checkout, a 6.5% sales tax on the final price is added to the cost of the sofa. What is the total cost of the sofa, including sales tax, for a customer paying with cash? So, we have a price of $1029. The discount is 1/3. Effectively, we are paying 2/3 of this price. The customer pays with cash, so he gets additional 5% discount. Effectively, he is paying 100 minus 5, or 95% of this price. But at the checkout, we have a tax of 6.5%. This means the effective price is 100 plus 6.5, that is 106.5% of the number. Solving it further, we have 1029 times 2/3 multiplied by 95, percent is 1/100, multiplied by 106.5, again replacing percentage sign by 1/100. We have 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, times 95 by 100 into 106.5 divided by 100. To make it simple, I will replace 95 with 100 minus 5. So we have 686 times 100 minus 5 multiplied by 106.5. In the denominator, we have 1 followed by 4 zeros. We have 686 In the brackets, we multiply 100 with 106.5. That'll give me 10650 minus 1065 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, plus 2 is 32, 5 1s are 5. So we have 5325 and a decimal before 5 divided by 10000 10650 minus 532.5. So we have 10 here, a 9 here, and a 4 here. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 0, 1. We have 686 multiplied by 10117.5 divided by 1 and 4 zeros. Clearly, this fraction will be greater than 1. Why? Because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Multiplying 686 with a number which is greater than 1 will give me a result which is greater than 686. We can reject A. 343 is less than 686. We can reject B. Again, 651.70 is less than 686. C is 686, but we want a number that is more than 686. This is also incorrect. We are left with D. The number is 694.06, which is greater than 686. D is the correct choice. Problem number 15. Which table shows a proportional relationship between x and y? Proportional means the ratio of x to y should be constant. Let's check this ratio for each option that we have. Starting with A, for the first set we have 3 by 4. For the second set we have 6 by 10, which equals 3 by 5. There is a mismatch. Let's move to C. 4 by 2 is 2. 8 by 4 is 2. 12 by 8 would be 3 by 2. There is a mismatch. Let's move to B. 12 by 6 is 2. 14 by 12 would be 7 by 6. A mismatch. The last option, D. 5 by 1 is 5. 10 by 2 is 5. 15 by 3 is 5. 20 by 4 is 5. 25 by 5 is 5. Clearly, D is our choice. Problem 16. Which expression is equivalent to 7a minus 8 minus 12a plus 4? Let me rewrite the expression. We have 7a minus 8 minus 12a plus 4. So we have similar terms here, 7a and minus 12a. 7a minus 12a gives me minus 5a. We have a second set of similar terms, minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. C is our choice. Problem 17. A box contains paper clips of 3 different sizes. The number of each size of paper clip are listed below. 100 small paper clips, 250 medium paper clips, 150 large paper clips. One paper clip is randomly selected from the box. what is the probability that the paper clip selected is either small or medium? The probability of the clip being small or medium size will be number of small clips plus number of medium sized clips divided by total number of clips, which would be number of small clips plus number of medium sized clips plus number of large size clips. We have 100 small clips, we have 250 medium sized clips. Again, we have 100 small plus 250 medium plus 150 large clips. Dividing numerator and denominator by 10, we get rid of some zeros, and we have 35 divided by 10 plus 25 is 35, 35 plus 15 is 50. We have 5 sevens are 35, 5 tens are 50. D is the correct response. Problem 18. What is half percent of minus 0.5 times minus 1 by 4? We have 1 by 2, percentage is 1 by 100, of is multiply. In the brackets, we have minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 1. We get plus 0.5 divided by 4. This equals 0.5 in the numerator divided by 2 4s are 8 times 100 in the denominator. Placing 0.5 with 5 by 10. So we have 5 divided by 8 times 1000. Let's divide 5 by 8. 5 is smaller than 8. We have a 0. 8 6 are 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. We get a 0 here, pull it down, 20. 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16 gives me 4. Another 0. Pull it down. We have 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So, we have 0.625 divided by 1000. We are dividing by 1000. So, we need to move the decimal 3 digits to the left. We get 0.0000625. Our choice is A. Problem 19. Mario sells men's and women's shoes in his shoe store. He is considering selling children's shoes. He randomly selects 120 customers to participate in a survey. The survey results are shown below. 42 customers said they would shop for children's shoes. 78 customers said they would not shop for children's shoes. Mario has an average of 440 customers per month. Based on the survey results, which value is the best estimate of the number of customers that would shop for children's shoes during an average month? Let's start by analyzing the survey that Mario conducted. As per the survey, the probability of a customer buying a children's shoe will be 42. The number of customers who said they would buy shoes for the children, divided by total number of customers that were surveyed, which is 120 in this case. And this ratio will be valid to calculate the best estimate for an average month. The total customers on average per month is 440. The estimate of the customers who will buy children's shoes is not known. Let's call it X. Solving further, we have X equal to 42 into 440 divided by 120. We start by cancelling the zeros. We have 4 3s are 12, 4 11s are 44, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. We have 14 times 11. 11 4s are 44, 11 1s are 11, plus 4 gives me 15. B is the right choice. Daniel constructs a scale model of a building with a rectangular base. Her model is 2 inches in length and 1 inch in width. The scale on the model is 1 inch equal to 47 feet. What is the actual area in square feet of the base of the building? The area of the model is 2 inches times 1 inch. We have to find the actual area. We have to scale the model to the reality. We know 1 inch in the model is equivalent to 47 feet. So, this 2 inch translates to the actual model as 2 multiplied by 47, and now we have feet. Similarly, this 1 inch will translate into actual model as 1 times 47 feet. So 2 inch became 2 multiplied by 47 feet, and 1 inch became 1 multiplied by 47 feet. Solving further, we have 2 times 47 times another 47. And the units will be feet square. So 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 9, multiplied by 47 feet square. Let me simplify this a bit. An easy way is to replace 94 by 100 minus 6 multiplied by 47. We have 100 times 47, which is 4700, minus 6 times 47. 6 7s are 42, 6 4s are 24, plus 4 is 28. We have 4700 minus 282. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, other 4. We have 4418. It has to be feet square. D is our choice. Problem 21. What value will make the equation true? Let's label the unknown as x. So we have minus in all the terms on both sides of the equation. So multiplying both sides by minus 1 will cancel the minus. And we have 2.1 plus x equals to 1 by half is a mixed fraction. Let's convert this into an improper fraction. It would be 2 times 1 plus 1 divided by 2. We have 2.1 plus x equal to 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. 2.1 plus x is equal to 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So x will be 1.5 minus 2.1, which is minus 0.6. Let's do a small check to ensure that we got the right answer. We will start with the left-hand side of this equation. So left-hand side is minus 2.1 minus the number x, and x is minus 0.6. We have minus 2.1, minus minus is plus 0.6. Minus 2.1 plus 0.6 gives me minus 1.5. On the right hand side, we have minus 1, 1 by 2, which is minus 2 times 1 plus 1 divided by 2, or minus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2, or minus 1.5. The left hand side equals right hand side. Our choice is C. Problem 22. Manny goes bowling. He has $25 to spend. He spends $4.25 to rent shoes. He spends $2.50 for each game he bowls. Which inequality can Manny use to determine X, the greatest number of games he can bowl? The total spend has to be less than or equal to $25. Manny cannot spend more than $25. He spends $4.25 on shoes. 4.25 plus he spends $2.50 on every game he bowls. If X is the greatest number of games he can bowl, he will spend 2.50 times X on the games, and this total has to be less than or equal to $25. Clearly, D is the correct choice. Problem 23. A middle school principal wants to change the lunch menu at the school. The principal surveys a student to determine how the students would feel about the changes. Which survey method will produce the best representative sample? So, the principal intends to do a survey at his school. The keyword for any survey is random. The samples have to be collected randomly. A. Survey every fifth student who rides in a car to the school. This is not random. This survey is limited to a specific set of students who ride in a car to the school. This is not a proper way to do a survey. B. Survey 3 randomly selected students from every homeroom. Randomly, this is good. From every homeroom. This survey covers every homeroom, and the students within a homeroom are randomly selected. This is a good approach. C. Survey every 10th, 7th grade student during lunch. Again, this survey is limited to a specific group. Only the 7th grade students are covered in this survey. This is incorrect. Option D. Survey 5 randomly selected students from every art, drama, and music class. The student selection is random, but this survey is also limited to students who belong to the art, drama, and music classes. What about the opinion from students who are into science? The best choice for us is B. Problem 24. Carrie has a bag containing white and yellow marbles. Carrie randomly selects one marble from the bag, records the result, and returns the marble to the bag. The results of the first 65 selections are shown below. A white marble was selected 41 times. A yellow marble was selected 24 times. Based on these results, what is the probability that the next marble Carrie selects, rounded to the nearest percent, will be white? So we have to find the probability of finding a white marble. This will be equal to the number of times the white marble was selected, which is 41, divided by total number of times the selections were made. That is 41 plus 24. We have 41 divided by 65. Let's divide 41 by 65. So we have a 0, another 0, decimal, and 0. Let's try 6. 65 6 are 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, plus 3 would be 39. 410 minus 390. 0 minus 0 is 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. Another 0, pull it down, we have 200. 65 3s are. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, plus 1, 19. We get a 5 here. We put another 0, pull it down, we have a 50. 50 is smaller than 65, so we need another 0, pull it down, we get 500. We can continue. So we have 0.630. To convert this to a percentage, the simplest way is to multiply and divide this number by 100. 0.63 multiplied by 100 gives me 63.0. We still have 1 by 100 remaining. Remember, 1 by 100 is equal to percent. So our answer is 63%. D is the correct choice. Problem 25. Which situation results in a final value of 0? A. The overall change in temperature when the temperature goes from minus 10 degrees to 10 degrees. Change is final value minus the initial value. The final value is 10 degrees. And the initial value was minus 10 degrees. We have 10 degree plus 10 degree, which is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. A is definitely incorrect. B. The total profit made when a person buys an item for $2.25 and then sells the item for $2.25. The profit is the selling price, which is $2.25, minus the cost price, which is again $2.25. Cost price is the price at which an item was bought. Selling price is the price at which an item is sold. 2.25 minus 2.25 gives us 0. This looks good to me. C. The overall change in altitude of a hot air balloon after rising 21 kilometers from the sea level. Change in the height is the final position 21 kilometers above the sea level minus the initial position, which is 0. Height at the sea level is 0. We have 21 kilometers. This is not a right choice. D. The total distance a person travels when he bikes 3.1 miles to school and then bikes 3.1 miles back home. So, the total distance would be the distance from home to the school, which is 3.1 miles, plus the distance from the school to the home, which is again 3.1. The total is 6.2 miles. So D is incorrect. The correct choice is option B. Problem 26. An equation is shown below. What value of x makes the equation true? Let's solve the equation. We have 2x minus 9 equal to 9 divided by minus 1 by 3. This would be 2 times x minus 2 times 9, which is 18, equal to 9. We can change the division sign to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the divisor. In this case, the reciprocal of minus 1 by 3 would be minus 3. We have 2x minus 18 equal to 9 3s are 27. We have minus 27. Or 2x equals minus 27 plus 18. We have 2x equal to minus 9. So x is minus 9 divided by 2, which gives us minus 4.5. Let's do a double check on our calculations. From the equation, if I pick the left hand side, we have 2 times x minus 9. X is minus 4.5 minus 9. We have 2 times minus 13.5. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7, 2 1s are 2, we get minus 27. The right hand side is 9 divided by minus 1 by 3, which is 9 times minus 3. This also gives us minus 27. Left hand side equals right hand side for x equal to minus 4.5. So our choice is B.